I'm going to show how to replace a battery in a 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. Begin by pulling the hood release lever to open the hood. Next, release the hood latch and secure the hood in the open position using the prop rod. Here is the location of the battery. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the nut in this manner. Once loose, work the battery terminal from the post and set aside. Then use the same socket to remove the nuts on the battery hold-down retainer. Remove the retainer by lifting up and unhooking from the rear bracket as seen here. Next, on the back side of your battery, you will find a connection that will need to be unplugged. To disconnect, slide the red tab forward to unlock the connection. Then, on the other end, insert a small flathead screwdriver to pry up the inner lever from its catch. Here's a view from the other side. As you pry, pull the connection apart. Next, remove the junction block. This is the small plastic box attached to the top of the battery. To do this, you will first need to open its cover to access the inside. The cover is hinged on the front of the box as seen here. On the back, you will find the clip that locks the cover. Disengage the clip using your finger and lift. Next, locate the nut that secures the terminal to the positive post. Remove this nut using a 10mm socket. Once the nut has been removed, set it aside. Then, remove the black wire that's on the bolt. With the help of a flathead screwdriver, manipulate the terminal and pull it from the positive post. The junction block can now be removed. To do this, locate the clip on the front. Unclip from the catch using your finger in this manner. Where it's held on the back is a little bit harder to see. However, use a flathead screwdriver to help manipulate it off. Now, lift the junction block from the battery. Have another person hold the junction block out of the way, or use a bungee cord as seen here. Next, remove the battery cover. You may need a flathead screwdriver to pry the edges from catching on the battery. The battery can now be removed. This is the new battery that I will be installing. I bought this at a local auto parts store. I simply asked the clerk which battery was right for my vehicle. Take the battery and place it into the battery tray, making sure it has the same orientation as the old one. Then, return the battery cover. Now, remove the bungee cords that are holding the junction block and snap the block back into place. Next, open the cover to access the positive post on the new battery. Remove the protective cap using a flathead screwdriver. Then clean the terminal end of any corrosion. Now reinstall the terminal onto the positive post. Next, reinstall the black wire onto the bolt. Return the nut to the bolt and secure using a 10mm socket. The cover can now be snapped closed. Next, return to the back side of the battery and reconnect the plug. Once connected, slide the red tab, locking it into place. Next, pry the protective cap from the negative post. Clean any corrosion from the negative terminal and then install it on the negative post. Secure using a 10mm socket as seen here. Finally, return the retaining bracket and secure into place using the 10mm socket. The battery is now ready for use.